stick around to see how we made these oversized daisies, and they were so simple. We made them in under 10 minutes and it lights up a house, guys. You do not want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, here today with another simple, easy craft for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Everything you're going to need for this craft is going to be in the description box below, so no need to memorize. And yeah, so you're going to go ahead and start by painting your cup. Paint it any color you want, and while it's drying, I'm going to show you guys how to put the flowers together. Guys, this is so simple. So go ahead and take one of your coffee filters. Take a straw. You're going to poke a hole in the center of the coffee filter. And now you want to take a PomPom ball. We found ours from Dollar Tree, and you're basically going to hot glue the PomPom ball and stick it on the end of the straw. And what's going to happen is you could use glue for this as well, but because I'm just kind of in a hurry, I'm going to use hot glue. It dries quicker. So you're going to put the PomPom ball on the tip of the straw like I'm doing, and you're basically going to just take the filter and push it up so that it sticks to the hot glue before it dries. And that's how you get it to stay. Very simple. That's all I did. Now, if you don't want to make daisies, you can always dye the coffee filters and make other multicolor tie-dye looking flowers. Click the card up top to see how to dye coffee filters. I have several videos on this channel teaching you guys how to do that. But yeah, for this one, we're just going to make white daisies. Or they could be lilies, if you think about it. Easter lilies? Yeah, Easter lilies. Okay, so now our cup is dry. I'm going to show you how to assemble the flowers, and then we're done for the day. So nice little Easter medley of colors there. So what I did was I cut some strips of brown construction paper just because I wanted something to resemble some dirt. Something really quick that I had on hand is construction paper. So you can probably just get away with 2. I'm just going to go ahead and stick all 4 since I cut 4. And what we're going to do is stick the flowers in the dirt, and then we're done. Flower arrangements. Now, I do know that you guys are loving this information because you made it this far to this video, so don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see every time that I post. And guys, I'm posting a different video every single day. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because, you know, you won't be notified when I post, and I post so sporadically, you'll never know. So make sure you guys do that for me, okay? All right, love you. All right, so let's go ahead and finish arranging these flowers. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of plopping them in there. They're oversized, and I think 3 has been plenty, but if you want to make more flowers, more power to you. And you know, the good thing about this is we have a bendable straw, so we can bend the flowers and mend them any way we want. And we're done. How cute is this craft, guys? I'm putting it in my entryway on the table. But I could also put it in my dining room as well. So I could put it all over my house. You guys decorating, it's springtime. So definitely have fun with these flowers and help decorate your house this spring season, okay? All right, guys. Well, I had fun with you today for this very quick and easy craft. Come back tomorrow and see what we're making, and I will see you then. Bye.